Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? I want to die. School starts today. And I look so bad and I don't know what to do about it. Good morning, everybody. I am not thriving right now. I am like really not doing well and I'm not feeling this. And I kind of want to die, but like, you know what? Let's have an amazing day today. Sorry I'm being quiet. I'm afraid I'll wake up everyone with my loud voice and then I will get yelled at. So I don't want that to happen. But you know, I need to get started like right now, because I don't want to be late. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. I'm back. Did my eyebrows. These boys looking fresh, if you ask me. That was weird. I'm never saying that again. That was kind of gross. They're thinner. I don't know if you could tell. I got bullied a lot for my eyebrows on my last video. So I feel good about that and I definitely don't feel insecure. First step to looking just so good for your first day of school is, you know, you want to make an impression on everybody. Every single person. Hide the way you really look. So I'm gonna be putting on colored contacts. Y'all are like,
why are you wearing these on the first day of school? What if no one recognizes you?
That's the point. So overall, woke up in an absolutely just horrible mood. I dislike my schedule very much. It's bad. And you know what? I'm gonna try to get a schedule change and I'm gonna try to finesse the counselor. The counselor's favorite thing to do is to like see my email requesting a schedule change and then just not care. At the counselor at my school, answer my email or I'll be suing. So it looks really fake, but I promise in real life, like I promise in real life, it doesn't look this bad. Like, should I wear gray? Ooh, should I wear gray? No. Well. So, I look scary. I promise it'll get better. Like, I promise it'll get better. Don't leave. I look like a lizard. You know, it's been a whole 3 months since I've done a school video because, you know, summer. It's basically been 3 months since I started my channel, so that's exciting too.
I love school.
So y'all are probably wondering, am I gonna be late? And the answer is, well, I don't know. But I sure ain't planning on it, sis. Every other day of the year, I'm late. But you know what? It's all about the school, not the time you get there. In Texas, at least in where I live, most schools here give summer homework. I've never not had summer homework. You know, I have Algebra 2, Chemistry, World History, and the other one. With so much work, over, you know, 300 math questions, there's a lot that I need to get done. So you're like,
did you do it?
No. I finished none of it. So I'm really happy about my grades this year. They're gonna be so good. Eyeshadow time. This is where things can get messy. Oh, wow, yay. Okay, I'll tell you what palettes I'm using, but I am not gonna tell you what I'm doing. So, I'm using these single shadows from Makeup Forever and this palette. I am hoping this year to glow up a little bit, you know. There's nothing else I could do to glow up. Like, I've done the most. Like, at this point, there's nothing else that I can do. You know what I mean? Because you know, people always talk about their summer glow ups. It's like, well, I feel excluded. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks good. In other news, well, there is no other news. So, BRB, I'm gonna go talk to my family. I haven't talked to them this morning at all. So I'm gonna go talk to them and say hi. I'll come back with updates and I'll come back with the current tea, the tea. I was like, hi, good morning. And they were like,
Are you gonna be ready in time?
And I'm like, yes. And my mom was like, okay, don't be late. Like, make sure you're ready by 8:30. Sis, no one trusts me in this house. Okay, well, this eye looks bad, so that's so scary and concerning. The eyes look so different. This one looks so bad. I mean, tell me how I wake up at 6:30 and I'm still, you know, gonna be late. I'm done. Why is it? I'm peed, and I'm peed off. What the frig? I'm nervous. What if I get bullied at school? If anyone ever bullies you, sis, tell me. I will fight them. I guess I'm done. Oh my gosh, I am. So I have 15 minutes until I need to be at school, which means I need to go. So, ready for school. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, the shirt keeps popping through and that's not what I want to happen. And let's just take the day on and let's just finesse it. Today will be great. I'm lying to myself. I'm back. So I walk into school and I'm like, you know what? You know what? No. I mean, I want to die. So like, I don't know what to do about that, but you know what? It's whatever. I'll make it work. It'll be great. I know it will. Anyways, so I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram. See you soon. See you later, and see you tomorrow. And see you not tomorrow. I'm gonna go. Pray for me. Please pray for me.